Hello friends, welcome to Digital Girl. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Let's start.
Hello and welcome to the session. Today I'll help you with the following question. The question says, draw a graph for the following. Is it a linear graph? In the table given to us, we are given the side of the square and the area of the square, and we have to display this information on the graph. For this, first we will draw the x-axis and the y-axis. We take the horizontal line as the x-axis and the vertical line as the y-axis. As you can see, we have drawn the x-axis and the y-axis. Now the scale that we take would be on horizontal axis, that is the x-axis. The scale would be 1 unit equal to 1 centimeters, and on vertical axis, that is y-axis, the scale would be 1 unit equal to 4 centimeters square. And then using the scale, we mark the side of the square on x-axis, and also we mark the area on the y-axis. As you can see, we have marked the side of the square on the x-axis and the area of the square on the y-axis. Now using this table, we will plot the points. Let the first point be A with coordinates 2, 4, where 2 is the x coordinate corresponding to the side of the square and 4 is the y coordinate corresponding to the area. So the coordinates of point A would be 2, 4. Now let the next point be B with coordinates 3, 9, where 3 is the side of the square and 9 is the area of the square. And then let it be C with coordinates 4, 16. 4 is the side of the square and 16 is the area of the square. Let the next point be D with coordinates 5, 25, where 5 is the side of the square and 25 is the area of the square. And then we have the point E with coordinates 6, 36, where 6 is the side of the square and 36 is the area of the square. Now we will plot these points one by one. First, let's plot the point A with coordinates 2, 4. For this, we locate the point 2 on the x-axis. This is the point 2 on the x-axis. From here, we move up along the y-axis to reach to the point that corresponds to 4 on the y-axis. So this is the required point A with coordinates 2, 4. Our next point is the point B with coordinates 3, 9. For this, we locate the point 3 on the x-axis. This is the point. From here we move up along the y-axis to locate the point that corresponds to 9 on the y-axis. This is the point that corresponds to 9 on the y-axis. So this is the point B with coordinates 3, 9. Next point is the point C with coordinates 4, 16. For this, we locate point 4 on the x-axis. This is the point 4. From here we move up along the y-axis to reach the point that corresponds to 16 on the y-axis. So this is the required point C with coordinates 4, 16. Next is the point D with coordinates 5, 25. For this again we locate 5 on the x-axis. This is the point 5. From here we move up along the y-axis to reach to the point that corresponds to 25 on the y-axis. Now this is the required point D with coordinates 5,25. Our last point is the point E with coordinate 6,36. For this again, we locate the point 6 on the x-axis. So, this is the point 6. From here we move up along the y-axis to reach to the point that corresponds to 36 on the y-axis. Thus, this is the required point E with coordinates 6,36. Then we join these points to get the required graph. As you can see, on joining these points we get the required graph, and this is not a straight line. So we say that no, it is not a linear graph. Thus, our final answer is no. So, hope you enjoyed the session. Have a good day.